Welcome, today in front of me HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So to do that, we should first open the gallery application, and then just, for example, let's hide this photo. Just select the photo, and after that click on the right down corner to more icon. After that click here to hide and click here to OK. Now the hidden photo we can find here in albums on the right upper corner on the three dots, and here we should click hidden items, and now we can find here this hide photo. If you want to unhide this picture, by the same way, select it and click to unhide, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.